Can't keep it, hold it. For those that don't know, April, May, June, about 3 months ago, 2.5 months, say, I injured my brachial plexus. That's a nerve bundle right here under the collarbone. My right arm didn't work. Quite literally hung on the side of my body like a dead freaking fish. So that occurred one day after I was here on April 1st, hitting balls. I was hitting them just fine. Had a 7-iron, had my railer, I had a new driver. I was hitting and I actually had a 52-degree wedge. And the 52, I was breaking pins out there, doing very well. The next day, stupid injury. Injured my brachial plexus. Been in physical therapy ever since. Today's 23rd, 26th, something like that, of June. So it's late June when you're watching this. So, and I didn't cut any of that beginning, just because it's difficult for me to hit these balls. Now I'm currently using the railer hybrid. I probably should be using a pitching wedge or a maybe a 7-iron punch shot, but you know me, I don't take the easy route for sure, and sometimes it's stupid too, but regardless, I'm hitting it pretty well, all things considered. I don't think I'll be able to get through this whole basket of balls here, but that's the story, and that's what you're watching. No lessons to be taught here other than if you do get injured, you gotta bust your ass in physical therapy to get back in shape and get back in the game. Alright, later y'all.